Page 103, Rolling Hoops. This ugly looking thing is actually just a bunch of broken chords. That's all it is. So let's talk about it. I look it over, it's 2 lines long, treble, bass, clef, 3 sharps in the key signature. We're back in the key of A major, so make sure you're doing the A major scale. Wouldn't hurt to go ahead and do the F sharp minor scale also, because it's the minor scale with 3 sharps in it. Do whatever I tell you to do in the video for the 1 octave up and down. Now, 6/8 time, an 8th note gets a count, which helps because there's 8th notes all over everywhere. I'm going to take both hands at the same time here because it's just one hand or the other playing and a bunch of broken chords. You have an A chord here, and an A chord here. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next measure, you just thumb comes up. You don't want to be up in here. You got to do a 3, 2. I don't know how big your hands are, but if you can, the fingering in the book is fine. Left hand comes down. Just reach down. You don't need to move. Just reach down because your thumb's on an E here, and you just reach it down to that E. I'd stay there. Just stay right there, because then when you're ready to come up, you just collapse again and you're ready for the next line. So the last 2 measures of the first line is here, and then you get one beat rest, come back up, and you do it again. Now here, and this is the second line, second measure. If you don't want to be here, you can do here. Again, I don't know how big your hands are. Left hand comes over to get the last one. Okay, there's other fingerings, but this is fun. And then it's just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Just make sure each one is even and connect them. Except for the rest at the end, you lift up. Then articulation, as I said, connect it all. They've only got slurs for each measure. No, connect each line. Lift up. We have to lift up, there's a rest. So it's like there's a phrase, the first line, and a phrase, the second line, yeah. Dynamics, MF, mezzo forte, both hands. Whatever you think moderately loud is. And that's the only one you give. Oh, isn't that nice? No. You don't have to stay right there all the way through. Once you get into it, try experimenting. Maybe you put a swell, get a little louder on each line. Start out here, get a little louder. Same thing, start louder. So experiment with the dynamics. Try starting moderately loud and just decrescendo or diminuending through the whole line. So it just came down. Next line, start really soft and go back up. Experiment with the dynamics. It's not like, oh, they said MF, I got to do MF. Well, in this kind of music, no, you don't. That's just a suggestion. Experiment and have some fun with it. Because the more you experiment and the more you play around with it, well, you're without realizing it, you're actually practicing it. When you're experimenting with it, you're practicing it. The speed, they don't give a speed because it's up to you. I would feel it in 2. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. 1, 2. Now they've added pedal. We don't need pedal on this. You do just fine without. But it gives us a chance to practice the pedal. And it's going to be overlapping pedal. So the notes go down first. Although with the 8th notes, if they go real fast, you got to put the pedal down with them. We have to adjust. Otherwise, you'll be too late. You won't catch it. So at the beginning, the pedal is with it. I'm going to change the pedal as I play it. Because there isn't a lot of time here. If I really lag it too much, I'll miss the note. I won't catch it. But at the end of the line, I'm going to lift up for the rest. So it's that. Now don't copy me, you don't have to go that speed. Experiment with the dynamics, play around. Let's play it together very slowly and check the notes and the rhythms. Rhythm shouldn't be a problem, but the notes, let's just check those. I'll give us 6 counts. Now I'm not going to do any louds and softs, I'm just going to play the notes. 1, 2, 3, 4, ready, go. Tie to rest. 1, 2, 3, tie to